This is the periodic table of elements. This is long form of periodic table of elements. First group contains hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, and francium. Second group contains beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, and radium. Group 13, boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium, and new element UUT. And 14 elements, carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead, and under 14 element UUQ. 15 group contains nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth, and UUP. Oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium, and UUH. Group 17 contains fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine, UUS, and noble gases. Group 18, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, and UNO. In the center, we have D block elements. They are from group 3 to group 12. On the left hand side, we have got S block elements, group 1 and 2. On right side, we have P block elements, group 13 to group 18. At the bottom, we have got lanthanides. First row is lanthanide, second row is actinides. Features of long form of periodic table. There are 2 elements in the first period, 8 elements in each of the second and third periods, 18 elements in each of the fourth and fifth period, 32 elements in sixth period, and only 29 elements till now in the seventh period. Now these 29 elements keeps on changing as the new elements get discovered. Total 116 elements have been discovered so far, and many new elements are being discovered. The first period is very short period, second and third are short periods, fourth and fifth are long periods, sixth is very long period, while the seventh is incomplete period till now. The lanthanides, elements from atomic number 58 to 71, and actinides, elements from atomic number 90 to 103, are included in the 6th and 7th periods, though these have been kept outside or at the bottom of the periodic table. Period. The details about the 7 periods are as follows. The first period contains hydrogen and helium. The number of elements are 2. Second period starts with lithium and ends at neon, and it has 8 elements. Third period starts with sodium, atomic number 11, ends at argon with atomic number 18. There are 8 elements. Fourth period starts with potassium, atomic number 19, ends at krypton 36. Total 18 elements are there. Fifth period starts from rubidium 37, ends at xenon 54. Total 18 elements are there. Sixth period starts from cesium 55, ends at radon 86. There are 32 elements including lanthanides. Seventh period starts from francium 87 and ends at UUH, that is 116 elements. It has 29 elements including actinides. Group. The modern periodic table has 18 vertical columns. The first group, earlier it was called first A, nowadays it is called group 1. Number of elements are 7. Hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, and francium. And these are called alkali metals. Way of remembering is, H you can remember as it is the first element. Others you can make this statement, Lina ki rab se faryad. Lina, Li, lithium, Na, Na, sodium, Ki, K, potassium, Rab, Rb, rubidium, Cs, cesium, Se, Faryad, Fr, francium. This is the way of remembering, and you can remember it forever. Second group, earlier it was called second A group. It contains Be, Mg, Ca, Sr, Ba, Ra. Way of remembering is बेर महंगे करके सरकार बहुत रोई. बेर Be, beryllium, महंगे Mg, magnesium, करके Ca, calcium, सरकार Sr, strontium, बहुत Ba, barium, Ra, radium, रोई. These are alkaline earth metals. Group third B is called group 3 these days. It has 32 elements, scandium, yttrium, lanthanum, actinium, and 14 lanthanide elements and 14 actinide elements. As these are elements of third B or group 3, which could not be accommodated in one column and therefore written separately outside the periodic table. Fourth B earlier, these days it is called group 4. It consists of titanium, zirconium, hafnium and rutherfordium. Group 5B, which is called group 5 these days, it has 4 elements: vanadium, niobium, tantalum and dubnium. Group 6B is these days called group 6. It contains 4 elements: chromium, molybdenum, tungsten and seaborgium. Group 7B, called group 7, contains 4 elements: manganese, technetium, rhenium and bohrium. Group 8 earlier has been divided into 3 groups: group 8, 9 and 10. Group 8 contains iron, ruthenium, osmium and hassium. Group 9 has cobalt, rhodium, iridium and Mt. 10th has nickel, palladium, Pt and Ds. Group 11 earlier was called first B. It has 3 elements: copper, silver, gold. They are called coinage metals. Group second B is now called group 12. It has 3 elements: zinc, cadmium, mercury. Group 13, earlier called third A group, contains boron, aluminium, gallium, indium and thallium. It is called boron family. The way of remembering is Babu, Lal, Gaya, India, Thela, Leke. Babu, B, boron. Lal, aluminium, Al. Gaya, Ga, gallium. India, In, indium. Thela, Tl, thallium. This is the way of remembering. Group 14, earlier called 4th A group, has carbon, silicon, germanium, tin and lead. It is called carbon family. Way of remembering is college students get some problems. College, C, carbon. Students, Si, silicon. Get, Ge, germanium. Some, Sn, tin. Problems, Pb, lead. Group 15 elements, earlier called 5th A group: nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. This is called nitrogen family. Way of remembering is Nepali, Punjabi, aaj se sab bhai bhai. Nepali N, nitrogen. Punjabi P, phosphorus. Aaj se arsenic As. Sab Sb, antimony. Bhai bhai Bi, bismuth. These are called nicogens. Nicogen means suffocating. Group 16 elements, earlier known as 6th A group, has 5 elements: oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium. This is called oxygen family. Way of remembering is us, se, te, po. Us, O, oxygen. Us, U, oxygen. So, sulfur. Se, Se, selenium. Te, po, Te, tellurium. Po, Po, polonium. Chalcogen means ore forming elements. Most of the ores are oxides and sulfides. That's why group 16 elements are called chalcogens. 7th A group, now called 17 groups: fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine. It's a halogen family. Way of remembering is Fir, Kal, Bhi, I, anti. Fir, F, fluorine. Kal, Cl, chlorine. B, Br, bromine. I, iodine. Anti, At, astatine. This is called halogen families. Halogen means salt producer. Noble gases have helium, neon, argon, Ar, krypton, xenon and radon. Inert gases or noble gases. Way of remembering is Hina, Curzon. Hina, He, helium. Hina, neon. Hinar, argon. Curzon, Kr, krypton. Zn, Ze, xenon, Rn, radon. This is the way of remembering, and these are family of noble gases because they are least reactive. These days we call them noble gases instead of inert gases because some of the compounds of noble gases have been prepared. Next, merits of long form of periodic table. First, position of isotopes and isobars. Isotopes have same atomic number and the periodic table is based on atomic numbers. Therefore, various isotopes of same elements have to be provided the same position in the periodic table. Isobars have same atomic weight but different atomic number, therefore they have to be placed at different positions. The positions of actinides, they are also called actinides or actinoids. Same way lanthanides or lanthanoids. The position of actinides and lanthanides is more clear now because these have been placed in third group, Due to lack of space and horizontal resemblance, these are written at the bottom of periodic table. That is, they resemble with each other but do not resemble with any other group elements. That's why they are placed at the bottom of periodic table. In the periodic table, a diagonal line from boron to astatine separates the metal, nonmetals and metallites from one another. The elements like boron, silicon, arsenic, tellurium and astatine that are situated near this line are metalloids. That is, they show the characteristic of both metals and nonmetals. The general electronic configuration of the elements remains same in the group. Defects of long form of periodic table. The position of hydrogen is still disputable as it was there in Mendeleev's periodic table because it resembles with both group 1 as well as group 17. Helium is an inert gas, but its configuration is different from that of other inert gas element. It has 1s2, whereas other elements have ns2 and p6. Lanthanides and actinide series could not be adjusted in the main periodic table and therefore they had to be provided with a place separately below the periodic table.